Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another fall decorating video. This is part 4 of my fall Clean and Decorate with Me series, and we are tackling our basement family room today. So this is a little bit more of a laid back and short and sweet type of video. I didn't really film a formal intro or outro or anything. I really just wanted to get this space tackled because I was ready to be done with my fall decorating, at least on the inside of the house. So here you can see me carrying all of my items that I want to use in this space down our stairs, and I'm just laying everything out here to get a feel for what I have, and then we're going to jump into the decorating. If you're watching this video, say hi to Ollie in the comments. That's our little black kitty. But here is a before look at the basement family room, toys and all. This is a big, just like informal space for our family. We watch TV and movies down here in the evenings sometimes. My husband plays video games down here in the evenings. And then of course we have some of Grant's larger toys down here, and he does like to spend time down here sometimes throughout the day as well. So I've undecorated everything, and as you can see, there's a little boy joining me today, and he's gonna help me do some decorating. So So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I wanted Grant to help me set up my fall village here in the basement. Last year I put it up on the mantle of the fireplace, and this year I really wanted to put it down a little bit lower. So I put it on our console table, and I just wanted him to be able to help me. So we are unwrapping all the pieces of the village here. When I was editing this video, I was watching it back and noticed that Grant is trying to show Ollie all of the houses that we're unwrapping. It is so sweet. But I really wanted, I don't do a lot of decorating with Grant present. I do a lot of it while he is at school. And there's a couple of like caveats to that. One, it's very hectic to decorate with a 4-year-old. And two, because I do make these YouTube videos, I don't really want Grant to be the focus of my channel. So I like to have a clear head, and I like to decorate on my own time. But with that being said, I do realize the importance of getting him involved in this and creating kind of those memories and that nostalgia. I remember decorating with my mom as a kid, and it's something that I obviously have grown to love. And I know that Grant probably won't be into it forever since he's a boy, but he does enjoy this, and I let him set up the village the way that he wanted to. He got to pick the order of the houses and place the little trees and the little people. So it was just a really fun time, and we had a really great time doing this together. If you are joining me for today's video, hi, welcome to Kindly Katey. My name is Katey, and I am currently a work from home mom of just this one little boy. He's 4 years old. His name is Grant, but I am expecting baby number 2 in February of next year. So we are very excited for all the holidays and all the new changes coming for our family. But here on my channel, I like to do lots and lots of seasonal decorating, some cleaning motivation, and some mom life videos sprinkled in here and there. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. My channel is growing here slowly but surely on YouTube, but I'm having such a blast with it. And I have been really passionate about YouTube for a few years. And it's just a really good creative outlet for me. And I love sharing all my ideas with you guys and connecting with you in the comments. So here I'm just putting the lights in our village houses. So this fall village is something that my mom had given to me many years ago, probably not too long after I got married and we moved into our first house. But I think I have put it up pretty much every fall since then. I'm pretty sure I've used it almost every year. So it is a nostalgic piece for me, and I could really care less about like the new style villages, like the white ceramic houses. I love these more vintage style with like the realistic looking homes and the little people. I think they're so cute. I'm actually wanting to get a new Christmas one for this year. I'll have to like thrift it or something. So we'll see what I can find. But we are going to scatter some leaves here on the table to finish up our little fall village scene. Okay, so now we're moving on to the remainder of the room. I actually finished this room up later that evening, well, after we put Grant to bed. So it's probably after 8 p.m. at this point. But this room is pretty small as far as decorating goes, and so I really just wanted to wrap it up. But we're starting here with this beautiful blanket ladder in the corner. The ladder itself is from Hobby Lobby. I've had it for quite a few years. Love this piece, and it's just a perfect corner piece here in this basement. The bottom green pillow or green throw blanket is a Raydun blanket that I got years ago from either TJ Maxx or Home Goods. The top blanket is one that I found on Hobby Lobby clearance a couple years ago, and then I'm just going to add this miniature wreath to give it more of a fall feel. You will see lots of this colored eucalyptus throughout this room. It's kind of like a loose theme that I have going. I just have a lot of different fall colored eucalyptus pieces, so I decided to use them all in this one space. So I hope you guys will stay tuned for next week's video. I am planning to do my fall front porch this weekend, the weekend after you guys are seeing this video. It has been quite rainy the past couple days here in East Tennessee, so I'm really hoping that some of that rain will hold off just a little bit so I can decorate the front porch this weekend. But that will be the final decorating video I have for fall. We will do a fall house tour, and then we will be jumping into Halloween in like the second week of October probably. So hopefully that's not too late for you guys. But Ollie tried to jump up on the TV stand. He's not very good at jumping. He can barely get onto our bed in the master bedroom. So But I'm adding this fall eucalyptus garland here to our TV stand. This is a piece I bought last year from At Home. Love it. It really matches like that miniature wreath that I have. Also some florals you'll see on the mantle. So gonna add this piece. I usually add a strand of those little fairy lights to it, but I have misplaced my other strands of those, and they're probably in one of my Christmas decor bins, and I just don't know if I want to go dig them out right now. So we might leave this garland unlit this year. But the sign in front I've had for many, many years. I got it from a store called Old Time Pottery. And yeah, I think I bought that when we lived in our first house as well. So we're moving on to the mantle. We have a corner gas fireplace in this basement. The window pane that you see up here on the top actually came out of my great-grandmother's house. I love that piece. It's the perfect way to take up some of the depth of this corner fireplace. But I have an old clear, like vintage jug here. I just added some Hobby Lobby stems into. I've used those for many, many years in a row as well. The artwork piece is also from Hobby Lobby. Last year I used that in the kitchen. You can barely tell that there are pumpkins in the bottom left corner, but I do like the artwork piece and decided to bring it down here this year. That little wooden pumpkin sign you see is from Hobby Lobby this year. I love the color scheme of it. Matches the basement really well. And then I'm adding these leaf patterned pillar candles here in my candlesticks. I wanted to keep the mantle pretty much the same as the year-round decor and just add in fall pieces instead of changing it all out and putting the village up here like I did last year. I just wanted to simplify it, and I love the way it turns out. Okay, now we're going to complete the console table. So we have our village out here that Grant helped me do. And on either corner, I'm just going to add some floral arrangements. The one on the left I bought on 90% off clearance at Hobby Lobby last year. And the one on the right, I quickly just put a couple of stems in a little bud vase. And I'm gonna add a little taper candle here in a brass candle holder. And I love how that turned out. I also have this clock from Hobby Lobby up on the wall, and the wall pockets are from Amazon. I just spray painted those matte black, and I'm going to add these like wheat bundles that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. Okay, the last space we're quickly going to decorate is this little antique table I have sitting here. I keep this Keurig out down here. It's not actually even plugged in. The intention is to plug it in, obviously, and use it, but we are not down here as often as I would like, maybe as our kids get older and such, but for now we just have a spare Keurig, which doesn't hurt to have one. What if our coffee pot breaks? We cannot go without our coffee. But to finish up the decorating today, I am going to add this small candle ring here that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then I'm putting a Bath & Body Works candle in the center. It is the pumpkin apple scent, I believe, and we are going to call it good here in the basement. I hope you guys enjoy the final looks. Okay, you guys, that is going to be all for today's fall decorate with me here in our basement family room. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and that it gave you some fall decorating inspiration. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button down below. If you haven't already, I would love to have you guys join me here at Kindly Katey. All right, guys, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next week with my fall front porch video. Bye!